Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For the viewers, thank you for clicking this video. Now guys, in today's video I am going to be breaking down the reason why the SDI stop loss model will always guarantee you profits, right? I'm going to break down the reason why I do believe that this strategy, right, that I used to trade, specifically the GBP JPY, will literally make it profitable. Alright, so literally guys, I posted a signal group. Now before I even say that guys, like literally boys, like first off, I know you guys like my face, that's why I have my face there. If not, I would like literally done this, just audio based, but like I wanted to show my face because I know you guys like my face, you feel me? But the thing is this guys, like the SDI stop loss model really boils down to understanding these two things, or maybe three, right? But the first thing guys is understanding that the SDI model just basically means price taking out the liquidity of a doji candle, right? And when price takes out the liquidity, I want to say take out the liquidity, I just mean if you're looking for buys, price takes out the low of the doji candle, right? If you're looking for sells, then price takes out the high of the doji candle, right? Now, the reason why I do believe this strategy works very well is because, guys, like obviously we know that liquidity is like what drives the market, right? Now, when price takes out the basically that takes out that doji candle, let's just say the low of the doji candle, the next thing that we wait for is now going to be a shooting star. Now, this shooting star, guys, does not have to appear in the next candle, but it can appear maybe 2 or 3 candles after. But still, price needs to take out the low first, then give you a shooting star. Like, guys, this is very simple. Price gives you a doji candle, takes out the low of the doji candle, then gives you a shooting star. Now, price can, do whatever in between of that, but those two has to be, met, or those conditions has to be met before you even take your trade, right? Now, guys, obviously this trade is not 100%, or this strategy is not really 100% win rate, and I'll explain to you why, right? In the sense of, guys, literally in my signal group, right, I told my signal group guys to take a buy trade, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm literally going to like, I'm just going to clear everything and just show you how I looked at the market, right? So I'm literally just going to clear everything and just show how I looked at the market. Boom. So if I remove all my joins, don't worry, guys, I'll just do this, undo, and everything is back. Feel me? But guys, if I remove all my joins, right, literally, bro, like in the daily time frame, you can clearly see in the daily time frame, right? Clearly in the daily time frame, clearly, bro, this is basically what happened. We can literally see that price looks bearish. Like it literally looks bearish, bro. Like literally, right? It looks like price wants to like do this, give like a lower low, then retrace up and then continue selling down. That's basically what I was looking at first, right? But guys, like you just gotta like be right at the end of the day, man. You just have to like take the right decisions because, bro, literally, bro, like I had my daily area of interest, right? Like literally right here. So if I go to the daily time frame, you can see that my area of interest, right, was literally right here. Number one, number two, and then number three on the daily time frame. Now, if I also remove the drawing, you're going to see that my area of interest was basically this area here, and then this area here. So if I was to put a box, boom, like that, you can see why they clear demarcation. And then the reason why I had this middle area of interest was because of this right here. And then if you notice, guys, there's literally a gap right here. That's a gap there. And then also like you can see like price is literally reacting off here. So I basically just did this, right? Boom, boom, boom. This is basically what I was looking at, right? So now the reason why I was looking for buys was because, guys, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, like I told you guys, the SDI model basically states that price needs to take out a doji candle. Now, because I was buying, right, you need to first spot out all the doji candles you see, right, that is like closest to you. So in this case here, guys, literally, I had these doji candle marked up here, right, and then I now color code this to liquidity low, boom, as you can see here, right. And then also, guys, if you notice this candle here, let me pull it back for you guys, man. This specific candle right here, this specific candle, right, is literally a doji candle. I don't care what anyone says. Like, I know you guys in the comments are gonna say, "Oh, like this looks like a huge bullish candle, stuff like that." But guys, like at the end of the day, bro, like literally, bro, like this is one, and this is one, and then this is literally one. Like it doesn't matter if I write it in English, in French, in Korean, in whatever language this the thing is it's still one, right? So that still makes the same it still has the same merits when it comes to candles like this, right? A doji candle is basically an indecision candle, not necessarily a candle that has a small body. No, it's just an indecision candle, right? They don't really know where to go. So in this case here, I classify an indecision candle when the body is in the middle of both wicks. I classify that as a doji candle. It doesn't matter if that doji, it doesn't matter if like the candle is like tall like this. It does not matter as long as it's in between the wicks, right? Then I classify that as a doji candle. You get me? So in this case here, guys, right, like literally back to what I was saying, right? This was the doji candle, and basically all I did was just mark that low of that doji candle. Boom. So you can see this is basically what I marked, like that, right? And then same thing too, you basically just colocate this, or what I mean, label it as liquidity. Now in this case here, guys, literally what happened here was like price gave me an entry to buy. So if I also fast forward the market, now you're gonna see that price gave me an entry to buy. Pause. So right there, this candle was my entry. Why? Because the SDI model states that price needs to take out the low of the doji candle, then give me a shooting star entry. That's simple. So in this case here, as you can see, price took out the low of this candle and gave me a shooting star entry within that same candle, which is fine. So I took my entry right there, boom. But then, guys, due to my experience, right, I figured that okay, boom, literally in my ebook, if I type this out my ebook, right, literally, guys, I tell you guys that like whenever you see a doji candle under your entry or under your stop loss, there's a likely chance that price will literally take you out, then go your way. So in this case, guys, we literally had, two liquidity spots here. So my first entry was basically right there, stop loss literally directly below that candle. And as you can see, boom, price, we did go into profit. But then as you can see, price literally took us out. Now see what happened. Boom. Now price took us out. Now see what happened. Literally, bro. Literally, bro. When price took us out, I was literally still awake. And this was literally around 11 o'clock. Right? So literally what happened here was boom. Price now again took out the low of that same doji candle. Right? As you can see. Boom. Took out the low. If I adjust it properly, you can clearly see that price literally took out the low and then gave a shooting star. Now you're gonna tell me, oh, this looks like a doji candle also. Yes, but at the same time, bro, like a shooting star, right, needs to look like a shooting star, like in the sense of this right here is a shooting star, right? Because clearly you can see like it looks like it wants to go up, right? But maybe we have a small wick here, which is fine. But the point is, it still looks like a shooting star. Now, if this wick was longer, then you will now say, okay, this is a doji candle. But because the top wick is shorter, then we classify this as a shooting star. And not just any shooting star, guys. This is literally a reversal shooting star. So guys, in my ebook, I literally tell you guys whenever you're looking for a reversal, right? Price needs to hit, or price needs to give you a shooting star, like a big bodied shooting star right there, as you can see. Boom, boom. So in this case here, you're going to see that price didn't give a shooting star here. And literally, guys, like I'm not going to lie to you, I think, yeah, it was around like 12:04 if I remember. Literally, price was like right here. Boom. I literally took myself, or my buy, I mean, stop loss directly under that candle. Boom. And as you can see, guys, literally, bro, right on the second try, right, price literally straight up just fucking bought all the way up. And honestly, guys, I'm not even surprised. I'm not even surprised, but as you can see, boom, price bought all the way up. Now, I did not even fathom that price would actually buy all the way up, like all the way up here. I did not even fathom that. Honestly, bro, like I was still looking for sales. You know what I mean? But as you can see, guys, the daily time frame decided to, buy up. And guys, you can't really say anything because, like, in the daily time frame, right, I literally was anticipating this. Boom, boom, boom. But obviously that's not what happened. That's why, guys, you always have to watch out for the daily time frame area of interest, man, because I've noticed, guys, like if you want to catch like good moves, you literally have to wait for price to, go to your area of interest. So in this case, guys, you can see that price, was at my area of interest here. Look at this sweet SDI stop loss entry right there. As you can see, boom, price goes to our daily area of interest. It gives us a doji candle, right? You then now mark out the high of that candle because you're looking for sales. Boom. Price takes out the high of that doji candle, then it gives you a shooting star entry. Literally, guys, you take your fucking sell. And not just that, you guys, literally, guys, in that same trade. Now, let's say you do use the martingale strategy, right? In that same trade, guys, like price went into a drawdown, right? Let's just say your stop loss literally right there. Price literally went into a drawdown, as you can see. But guess what, guys? The SDI stop loss model is literally designed to go into a drawdown, right? Because that way it gives you much more bigger risk reward. So in this case, guys, literally I took my trade somewhere around here, like somewhere around here. But honestly, bro, like imagine taking your trade literally somewhere around here or somewhere around here, guys. Like literally, it's possible. You really have to do is literally just be ready to either set a buy limit or just watch price. So in this case, I was actually not even watching price. Literally, I was like, I don't know, I think I was doing something and then like I now checked my chart and now seeing that, oh shit, price just gave me my SDI stop loss model. Let me enter right now. So obviously this move already happened already, but still, this is the power of the SDI stop loss model, guys. As you can see, guys, it doesn't work 100% of the time, but guys, literally, you take a trade here, boom, it worked out. Here you lost, but here it's worked out again. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys gained a lot from this, guys. Yeah, guys, how do you like this camera setup, bro? You feel me? But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in a different video. Peace.